Hey, welcome. Ready to unwind the day's stiffness and tension from the long day? This class is for you for getting ready before your bed. Let's do this. Let's find our way onto our backs and our supine bounded angle pose. Soles of your feet together, knees fall open. Palms on your belly. Close your eyes just to check in with yourself. Slower and deeper breaths. Feel your palms raising up with each inhale. With each exhale, soften wherever you can and surrender onto the mat. Little more. Just notice anything that is bothering you and let it go with each exhale. Any stiffness or tightness in your body. Open your eyes. Get the knees together using the help of your hands. Place right ankle on the top of left thigh. You're welcome to stay here. But gently pressing the right thigh away from you or hold on to the back of your left thigh or around your left shin. Keep pulling your legs towards you. Flex the right foot. Roll out your left ankle and reverse the direction. Tuck the chin slightly, your shoulders, leg are relaxed. You're welcome to stay still or rock side by side. Explore any variation that makes you feel comfortable. One last squeeze here. Release your left foot onto the mat. Slide the right leg over the left leg and cross the legs. And then drop both legs to one side. Extend the right arm to the side. Maybe gaze over your right shoulder. Option to stack both legs if that is too intense for you. Just play around, choose any variation. Feel this here. Place your legs, come back to the center, uncross your leg, left ankle on the top of your right thigh. Again, choose variation, clasping your fingers around your shin or back of your right thigh. Roll out your ankle in one direction and switch it out. Using little arm strength, maybe rocking or staying still. Keep sending the breath into your left glute. One last squeeze here. Place the right foot onto the mat, slide the left leg, and then drop to one side. Extend the left arm to the side. Keep pressing the left shoulder down. Deepening your breaths. Place your legs to the center, uncross your legs if they are crossed. Roll onto one side, coming into a tabletop position. And then tuck your toes and your hips back. Slide your hands back. You're welcome to stay here, taking the support of your hands or come all the way back. Sit up on your heels, maybe swing side by side, gentle opening of the bottoms of our feet. Release your hands onto the mat, flip your palms, flip your hands so that your fingers are facing your knees. Maybe you're facing the edges of the mat. And then walk your wrists, just releasing the tension from the wrists of long day chores, whether you got a desk job or household chores or even driving, working with the breath. And then release your hands, shake them out. Coming into a tabletop position for a circular cat and cow. This time, spread your fingers nice and wide. Tuck your toes for stability. Even you can pad the knees if you feel you are more sensitive. And then inhale, drop your belly, shine through your chest, lift your side bones. As you open the right side body, as you exhale, rounding through your spine and opening the left side body. Inhale, drop, and then opening the right. As you exhale, rounding, opening the left. One last time on your own pace. And then reverse it for 3 more times. And then come back to the center with your next breath in. Extend your right leg, slide your right foot all the way to the other side. Gaze over your left shoulder, opening the left side body. Release the right foot all the way to the mat. With your next breath in, pick up your left leg towards your chest and then step your left foot to the outside of your left hand for lizard. Option to come upon your fingertips to get a little more open in your heart and in your front side of your hip. You're welcome to stay still or gently swaying side by side. Just choose any variation. Release, come onto your hands, extend the front leg, flex the front foot, keep the micro bend in your front knee. Inhale, half lift, exhale, forward fold at your own degree. One last breath here. Release, bending into your left leg. Step your left foot back for down dog. Adho Mukha Svanasana, maybe pedaling up your feet. Keep pressing the hands away from you, sending your weight towards your heels. If your heels are not touching, no worries. Just bend your knees, pedal it out. And then this time, again, coming into a tabletop position, stretch out the left leg, cross your left foot all the way to the right, across your body, gaze over your right shoulder. Slide your foot back to the mat. With your next breath in, pushing through your hands, engaging your core, pull your right knee towards your chest and step your right foot outside of your right hand. Drop the back knee. Option to pad the back knee if needed. Coming onto your fingertips for a couple of breaths. Nice long breaths here. And then extend the front leg, flex the front foot, keep the micro bend in your front knee. Option to stay lifted as you're breathing. Exhale, forward fold. This is totally optional. Head towards the mat. Release, bending into your right leg. Step your right foot back for downward facing dog. This time, maybe swaying your hips side by side. Just choose any variation here. Maybe nodding your head for S or no, there is no compression around your neck. Pressing the heels towards the mat and then come all the way into your plank. Drop your knees and then eventually coming onto your bellies for Sphinx pose. Forearms parallel to each other, elbows under your shoulders. Lift your chest up as you press down through your elbows. Tuck your chin, close your eyes for a couple more breaths. You're welcome to stay here in Sphinx or slide your hands by your chest for Cobra. Feel your chest open with your next breath in. Hug the elbows in. Just decide intensity, how far you want to lift. Exhale, release. Come out of the Sphinx if you're in Sphinx. And then eventually slide your knees forward, coming into a wide-legged child's pose. Wings as wide as you want them to be. If you want a deeper sensation at your inner thighs and groin, nice long deep breaths. And then slide your hands back. Find any easy seated variation for a wide-legged. Extend your legs wide. Bend your knees. Option to sit upon a folded blanket or a block if you feel more rounded. Otherwise, you can sit on the mat. Flex your feet. Your knees are facing the ceiling. You're welcome to stay up here on your fingertips or walk your hands forward, coming on your elbows or palms. Choose your variation. Let the head hang heavy here. Few deep, long breaths. Or maybe stacking your forehead upon your fists. Just choose explore. Ease out of the pose. With the help of your hands, get your knees together. Find an easy cross-legged variation. Take a moment here. Just settle in. Just check in with yourself. Close your eyes. That is how difference now than earlier when you started the practice. Flicker your eyes open. Well, here is a simple, gentle flow. You're welcome to lie down on your backs and drift out into your sleep, or whenever you need it, just come back to it before hitting your bed. Put your hands at your heart center, bobbing forward. Namaste.